Let's be real for a second. You didn't click this video because you think everything about you is perfect. You clicked because deep down, you know you could look and feel better than this. It's not about filters, miracle creams, or fake self-love quotes. It's about habits, small daily choices that slowly shape how you look, act, and carry yourself. And the worst part? You do most of them without even realizing how much they drain your beauty, confidence, and energy. So if you're ready for a little tough love and the truth that actually changes things, let's begin. First, calling yourself ugly. Stop doing that right now. Every time you call yourself ugly, even jokingly, you're programming your brain to believe it. You stop trying. You stop caring. You give up before you even start. You're not ugly. You're unpracticed at effort. If you eat poorly, never move, stay up too late, and avoid mirrors, what do you expect? The fix starts when you stop calling yourself the problem and start acting like the solution. Secondly, being lazy with your body. You don't need abs to glow. You just need energy. And energy comes from movement. If you get winded after one flight of stairs, that's not just tiredness. That's neglect. Move your body daily. Even a walk, stretching, or dancing in your room counts. Activity builds confidence, posture, and that subtle glow people can't define but always notice. Bad habit number 3 is poor hygiene habits. You can't radiate beauty if you smell like neglect. Greasy hair, unbrushed teeth, dirty nails. These things silently ruin how people perceive you. Hygiene isn't vanity, it's self-respect. Brush your teeth, wash your face, shower daily, wear clean clothes. It's basic, but it changes everything. And 4, touching and picking your face. This one's brutal. You wash your face, buy expensive skincare, and then ruin it by touching it all day. All that dirt and bacteria from your hands goes straight into your pores. You pop one pimple and give yourself a scar that lasts months. The fix? Awareness. Keep your hands busy, away from your face. Your skin will thank you. Number 5, eating like you don't care about yourself. Every meal is a choice. Heal your body or hurt it. If your diet is sugar, oil, and caffeine, don't expect clear skin and glowing energy. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% whole foods, 20% treats. Food is not a punishment or a reward. It's fuel for your glow. Number 6, wrecking your sleep schedule. Nothing, and I mean nothing, ages your face faster than poor sleep. Dark circles, dull skin, low energy, bad mood, all from lack of rest. Your body repairs itself when you sleep. So, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. No scrolling in bed, just one more episode. One disciplined week of sleep can literally transform your face. And 7, dressing like you don't value yourself. Your clothes speak before you do. When they're wrinkled, stained, or don't fit right, you're saying, I didn't try. Effort shows. And so does the lack of it. You don't need to be trendy or rich, just clean, fitted, and intentional. When you dress with care, you move differently, more confidently. Bad habit number 8, biting your nails or neglecting your hands. Your hands tell a story. If your nails are chewed, chipped, or dirty, that story says, I'm stressed and careless. Keep them clean, trimmed, maybe a little clear polish. You'll feel more put together instantly, and people notice more than you think. 9, living like a vampire. If you spend your days locked inside scrolling in the dark, of course you look drained. Sunlight literally gives your body the signal to live. It boosts your mood, hormones, sleep, and glow. 5 minutes outside every morning. No phone, no music, just breathing. It's the cheapest beauty hack on earth. And number 10, constant negativity. Your face reflects your thoughts. If you're always complaining, comparing, or hating on others, it shows. in your energy, posture, and tone. Kindness and calmness make you more beautiful than any makeup ever could. Radiance comes from gratitude, not grumpiness. And bonus tip, ignoring your peace. Stress isn't invisible. It's written all over your skin, your eyes, your body language. Chronic stress destroys collagen, ages your skin, and keeps you stuck in survival mode. Learn to slow down, breathe deeply. Protect your energy like it's gold, because it is. Let's get one thing straight. Beauty isn't luck, it's lifestyle. Attractiveness is built daily, in quiet choices no one sees. It's in how you talk to yourself, how you show up when no one's watching, how you treat your body, your mind, your energy. So stop chasing perfection. Chase consistency. Because real beauty isn't effortless, it's earned. And no one falls for perfection. They fall for the person who tries every single day